Getting to know the landforms. Analyzing landforms. Look at the image. You can see several features in it, such as rivers, a dam, and a bridge. It also shows some villages, a temple, a fort, etc. Among these villages, Deoghar and Velase are situated on a river bank. Dajipur and Khamgaon are away from the river. The land around these villages is flat, with a very gentle slope. But look at the fort and the temple. They are situated at a height. The temple is located higher than the fort. The land around the fort and the temple has a steep slope. Thus, you can see that the land is not plain and level everywhere, and also its slope varies from place to place. Landforms. The differences in the height and the slope of the land gives rise to different land shapes. They are called landforms. Let us study the different landforms shown in the above picture. They are numbered from 1 to 11. Plain. A low and level stretch of land is called a plain. Hillock. A part of land higher than the level land surrounding it is a hillock. Hill. A hill is higher than the hillock and has a steeper slope. Hill range. A stretch of hills that spread over a very long distance is called a hill range. Plateau. It is a landform which is higher than the land around it, but has a level top. A plateau has slopes on all the sides. Mountain. A mountain is higher than a hill and has a steeper slope. Peak. The tapering top portion of a hill or a mountain is called its peak. Pass. A narrow gap between two hills or two mountains is called a pass. A pass is useful for crossing that hill or mountain range. Ghat. A portion of a hill or mountain that is difficult to cross is called a ghat. A ghat is also the winding road that goes across this portion. Valley. A deep area stretching over a long distance between two hills or mountains is known as a valley. Island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Greater Mumbai. To study the landforms in Brihanmumbai, observe the relief map given here. The shape of this city tapers from the north towards the south. The Kanheri Hills spread in the northern part of the Mumbai suburban district. There are lakes and forests amongst these hills. The land is marshy in the coastal areas and creeks to the west. The southern part of Mumbai suburban is that of plains with a few hills and hillocks in some places. The hills in the Vikhroli and Ghatkopar regions and the major islands of Mud and Versova, etc., to the north can be seen even today. Mumbai city district is bounded by water on three sides. Formerly, it was a group of 7 islands. There are hills and hillocks in some places. The Malabar Hill, Worli Hill and Sion Hill are the major ones. All these hills are part of the original islands. A part of the land surrounding these islands is land reclaimed from the sea by filling it up. This low-lying portion lies between the group of the 7 islands. Land has been reclaimed in many places, in the suburban region too.